Hello and welcome to Learn English Simply. Today, we will learn English with a short story. The title of the story is The Test of Honesty. Once upon a time, there were two friends named Adam and Zaid. They learn that good morals guide our behavior. One day, they found a beautiful pen on the floor. Zaid wanted to keep the pen. He was being selfish. He thought about lying to the teacher. But Adam said, being honest means telling the truth. Being fair means treating everyone equally. They decided to do the right thing. They gave the pen to the teacher. They felt happy because they did the right thing. Good morals make our world a better place. Thank you for watching. Always remember, honesty is not just a word, it is a way of life. Small honest actions can build a strong character. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.